Now let's begin one fresh new module that is about semi-structured data. And now we'll be learning about converting JSON to tables. Imagine receiving a box of items packed in layers. Something like this. The box and there are layers, right? JSON stores data in nested key value pairs, just like that box here. To analyze it, in Power BI, the structure must be flattened into rows and columns like this, turning keys into headers and values into cells. Expanding arrays and objects ensures every detail is mapped into a tabular format. This conversion transforms semi-structured JSON into clean tables ready for reporting and visualization. Let's meet in our next lecture.